Okay, good morning students. Last class we have discussed about preparation of ethene and chemical properties of ethene or ethylene. So ethene or ethylene reacts with a number of components like a HCl and chlorine, and it is reaction with oxygen. Next, ethene to form polymers. So that process is called polymerization. Okay, and it is also reacts with the water molecules H2O. Okay, so it is reacts with the, in the presence of Bayer-3-ozone. What is Bayer-3-ozone? Cool, dilute, alcoholic KMnO4 solution. That is called Bayer-3-ozone. Okay, so it is also number of different types of compounds. Okay, listen. So next further preparation of C2H2. Preparation of C2H2. So it is alkyne. Alkyne means ethine. Ethine or acetylene. Okay, what is the formula of acetylene? C2H2. Okay, so already we know that acetylene or ethine or alkyne, it is contain triple bond. Okay, alkane contain single bond. Alkene contain double bond. Alkyne contain triple bond. Okay, so C2H2. What is the structure of C2H2? Suppose how many carbons? Two carbons. First we write a carbon bond carbon. Carbon bond carbon. Further, so it is alkyne. So triple bond. So we are write triple bond. Each carbon must contain how many bonds? 4 bonds. Listen. So this carbon contain 1, 2, 3. This carbon contain 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1. Because it's like carbon contain 4 bonds. So 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1 bond. This carbon also contain 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1 bond. Okay, so we have arranged the hydrogens. So overall H. So it is structure of C2H2. C2H2. So CH triple bond CH. Suppose we write another structure, suppose for example. So what is the general formula? CnH2n minus 2. Alkynes. Alkyne general formula CnH2n minus 2. So we write C4. C4 means butyl. C4 means butyl. So 2 4 ja. 8 minus 2. 6. So C4H6. C4H6 is butane. Okay, C4H6 is butane. Okay, it is butane. C4H6 is butane. Okay, how many carbons? 4 carbons. First, we write 4 carbons like a chain. Okay, carbon, bond, carbon, bond, carbon, bond, carbon. Okay, first we write 4 carbons. Further, we write triple bond any place. Suppose here or this place or this place, any place. Okay, we write so middle place. Suppose this place, triple bond. Okay, or suppose for example carbon bond, carbon or triple bond. Any place we write. Okay, or this place. Okay, okay. So now suppose this carbon. This carbon contain only single bond. Only single bond. So remaining contain how many bonds? 3. Remaining 3. Because it's like total 4. Total 4 bonds. Each carbon must contain 4 bonds. But this carbon contain only single bond. So remaining required 3. 1, 1, 1. So total carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this carbon. This carbon contain how many bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is fulfilled. You understand? So carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So this carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4. But this carbon only one bond. Single bond. So remaining how many bonds required? 3 bonds. So bond, bond, bond. So we are arrange the hydrogens. Listen. H, 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 H. So overall, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6, C4, H6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons. It is structure of butyl. So this carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, CH3. Carbon attached with how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens, CH3. Bond. Carbon triple bond. Carbon bond CH3. It is structure of butyl. Butyl. Okay. So suppose we have taken another. Okay, last one. Pentyne. Pentyne formula C5H8. C5H8 pentyne. Okay. What is the first we write the carbons. Okay. How many carbons? 5. So carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write the triple bond. Means just like it is alkyl. We write the triple bond. Which place? This place or this place? Which place? Okay. Triple bond. Okay. So each carbon must contain how many bonds? 4 bonds. Suppose we have taken first carbon. This carbon contain only single bond. Remaining 3. Remaining 3. How many bonds required? 3. So bond, bond, bond. So it is fulfilled. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, suppose we have taken this second carbon. This second carbon contains how many bonds? 1, 2. 1, 2. So remaining requires 2. Bond, bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon, okay, 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon also 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this carbon only single bond. Only single bond. Okay, remaining required 3. So bond, bond, bond. Okay. So next further we are arrange the hydrogens. So H, 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 H. So overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hydrogens. Carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So another form, listen. This carbon attached with how many hydrogens? 3. So CH3. This carbon attached with how many hydrogens? 2. Bond CH2. So carbon triple bond. Carbon bond CH2. Okay? Yes. So now preparation of acetylene. C2H2 means ethyne or acetylene. Okay, ethyne or acetylene. Suppose for example we have taken CaC2. CaC2. Ca means calcium. Calcium carbide. Calcium carbide. What is the formula of calcium carbide? CaC2. When this calcium carbide is reacted reacts with the water molecules. Okay, calcium carbide is reacts with the water molecules. To form in the reaction, CaOH taken twice. CaOH taken twice. Twice means two. Thrice means three. Suppose AlOH taken thrice. Thrice. Twice. It is clear. Okay, two means twice. Three means thrice. Wow. Right. Okay. So, what is the formula of calcium hydroxide? CaOH taken twice, and next further C2H2. Okay, C2H2. Overall, listen. How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. H2 2. But coefficient 2. 2 to the 4 hydrogens. H taken twice. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. So 2O, O2. Okay. So next calcium, calcium C2, C2. So it is acetylene, acetylene. Okay. So preparation of C2H2. How it is prepared? Suppose, for example, we have taken calcium carbide, CaC2. When it is reacts with the water molecules, H2O. To form in this reaction, calcium hydroxide. Okay, and next further C2H2. C2H2 means acetylene or ethane. Okay, so calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also called slaked lime. Okay, slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide is also called slaked lime. Slaked lime. Okay, it is clear. Okay, next further second preparation. Next second preparation. Suppose, for example, we have taken CHI3. CHI3. So CHI3 means iodoform. Iodoform. Or we have taken CHCl3. Suppose we have taken CHCl3. So CHCl3 means chloroform. Chloroform. Another thing. So CHCl3 chloroform. Another name. How many chlorines? 3. Trichloro. Trichloromethane. Okay, trichloromethane or chloroform. Chloroform. When we have taken 2 moles of chloroform. Okay, 2 moles of chloroform. So it is reacts with the silver. Ag is silver. Okay, so to form in this reaction, 2C C2 2H H2. Next, how many silver atoms? 6. So 2 3 are 6 chlorines. You understand? 2 3 are 6 chlorines. 6 chlorine, 6 silver to form 6 AgCl. Do you understand? Okay, silver chloride, acetylene and silver chloride. Listen. So acetylene prepared from hollow form, just like CH3Cl chloroform, hollow form. CHI3 iodoform, hollow form. And it is also just like we are called hollow form. Okay, so CHCl3 means chloroform, CHI3 means iodoform. Okay, so second preparation, when we have taken chloroform, what is the formula? CHCl3. CH means chloroform. When it is reacts with the silver Ag to form C2H2. C2H2 means acetylene or ethine. Acetylene or ethine. Next further silver chloride. Silver chloride. Okay. Right. Very. Okay. So what is third preparation? Already we know that acetylene preparation. Calcium carbide reacts with water molecule to form acetylene. And chloroform reacts with silver to form acetylene. Next further, suppose for example carbon bond carbon, bond. So bond H, Cl. So each carbon attached with two chlorine atoms. This carbon attached with two chlorine atoms. This carbon is also attached with two chlorine atoms. So we have give the number any side. Okay, left side or right side carbon. Suppose for example we have give the number 1, 2. This carbon, first carbon attached with two chlorine atoms. So that time we write 1, 1. And this carbon is also attached with two chlorine atoms. Okay, so we write 2, 2. So total how many chlorines? 4 chlorines. So that time we are called tetra. So tetra. So chloro, tetrachloro. Okay. How many carbons? 2 carbons. 2 carbons means ether. All bonds, which bonds? Single bonds. All bonds, single bonds. So single bonds means which hydrocarbon? Alkane. A word. Alkane means ethane. Ethane. Okay. Overall 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloroethane. When it is reacts with zinc. Okay, zinc powder. So to form in this reaction, how many carbons? 2 carbons. Okay, C2. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. H2. So to form C2H2. Next further, how many chlorine atoms? 4 chlorine atoms to form 2 ZnCl2, zinc chloride. Okay, 2 to the 4 chlorines, 2 Zn. Okay, so it is preparation of acetylene. Okay, listen. So 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloroethane is reacts with zinc to form in this reaction acetylene. What is the formula of acetylene? C2H2 and remaining zinc chloride. Okay, zinc chloride. So it is another preparation of acetylene. Okay, so next further we have discussed about chemical properties of acetylene. So acetylene is reacts with a number of components. Okay, acetylene reacts with a number of components. Suppose for example, it is reacts with ozone. ozone. What is the formula of ozone? O3. O3. Overall, alkenes, alkynes reacts with the ozone. Reacts with the ozone. So this type of reaction is called ozonolysis reaction. Ozonolysis reaction. What is ozonolysis reaction? Suppose, for example, what is ozonolysis reaction? Suppose CH triple bond CH or C2H2, C2H2, CH triple bond CH or C2H2 acetylene. This acetylene reacts with the ozone. Ozone formula O3. What is the formula of ozone? O3. So to forming this reaction, oxygen. How many CH groups? 2. Bond CH. So remaining 2 oxygens. Bond O. Okay. It is acetylene. It is ozone. So form acetylene ozonide. But it is wrong structure because
every carbon has 3 or 4 bonds.
okay, good. Each carbon contains how many bonds? 4 bonds. But this carbon 1, 2, 1 hydrogen. So it is attached with H. So 1, 2, 3. So only 3 bonds. Remaining bond. Okay. So here 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, and another one hydrogen with hydrogen. 4 bonds. It is also same. 1, 2, 3, another with hydrogen. Suppose this hydrogen we write bond H. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all attached of H. No problem. Okay, we write CH3 or carbon bond H. CH3 or carbon bond H. Any right? Okay. So what is this? Acetylene ozonide. Okay, acetylene ozonide. When this acetylene ozonide is reacts with water molecules, in the presence of zinc. To form this reaction, CHO bond CHO. CHO bond CHO. CHO bond CHO. Okay, do you understand? CHO bond CHO, it is glyoxal. What is the formula of glyoxal? CHO bond CHO. So remaining we have addition of H2O. Water molecules H2O and 1O. H2O2. Okay, H2O2. You understand? Listen. CHO bond CHO. And remaining we have addition of H2O. H2O and 1O. H2O2. So it is zinc is catalyst. Alright, what is catalyst? To increase the rate of reaction. Okay? It is very important. Okay? Listen. Acetylene C2H2 or CH triple bond CH. So this acetylene reacts with the ozone to form ozonide. So oxygen bond CH, bond O. Between CH, it is bond, 1 bond. Next, when it is reacts with the water molecule in the presence of zinc catalyst. To form this reaction, CHO bond CHO. Remaining H2O2. H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. Okay, hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so it is another chemical properties of ozone. So this type of reaction is called ozonolysis reaction. Okay, ozone reacts with acetylene. So this type of reaction is called ozonolysis reaction. Alkenes also reaction with ozone. That type of reaction is also ozonolysis. It is also ozonolysis reaction. Okay, what is this reaction? Ozonolysis reaction. Okay. So next further we have discussed remaining further class. Okay.